It was go. Huh?
No, it was about 2-3 weeks ago.
Well, he not coming to the telly?
I didn't say he would. I'm telling y'all, when I told y'all when I get loud, I stay with it. What happened, I just stay with it. Hey, I don't got none right now, but best believe I go to the east side, I go get a free blunt. In the bin merch, I'll get a whole free blunt.
Well, I can get a free blunt too, so it's not that hard to get one.
I mean, dude. I mean, that's what y'all want to smoke on some boo-boo again, yeah.
Goofy. But what you had was boo-boo.
No.
Yes, bro. Boo-boo.
What's boo-boo?
Yeah.
It was.
Yes, bro.
Now, on the G, I know you lying. Because you don't go smoke like that. And it's been merch. So don't advertise.
Bro, I hit the blunt, but I ain't even cough no
You don't know nothing.
I wasn't even
You don't
high.
gotta talk. You don't
I
gotta
wasn't
talk
even high.
because you can't smoke. But you like my dad.
No, Goofy. That's how you smoke.
He was hitting.
Right.
No,
You can't even know.
It was some gas, but it wasn't no gas.
No, first
He
of
talking
all.
about like a robber, so he got Ben Laden. No.
Yes,
Now you
yes,
oh my mind, you
yes,
sweet.
yes.
You got Ben Laden and robber, bro.
Yes. Oh, my mama.
Don't put that on your mouth.
Look, but I came with roaches. I've been cheating all day before I even saw y'all three. And
Hey,
come on.
you were, huh?
Yes, I was smoking all day.
All day long?
Yup. I had me some. I had a bag. I went back to my mom's with a bag.
You did, huh?
Yep.